How to log in into Blooket with Google account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Blooket with your Google account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to blooket.com. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up option. If you do, click on the login option. Once you do, it's going to take you to the login portal. Normally, you can enter your username or email, then password, and click on the Let's Go option in order to log in. If you want to log in using your Google account, simply click on the Sign In with Google option. Now, you can sign in using your existing Google account, or if you want to use another account, click on Use Another Account option. Then you will have to enter your email or phone number, then click on the Next option. If you want to use your existing account, click on that. Once you do that, it's going to redirect you to a different page, and as you can see, you have been successfully logged into Blooket with your Google account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.